Want to start selling your product or services online without paying for an expensive website? Here is the secret method that gurus won't tell you, and the best part is it's absolutely free. In just a few minutes, I'm going to show you how to create a professional landing page using System.io that lets your customers buy from you instantly without any coding, website costs, or any tech headaches. And if you stay till the end of this video, I will review the next step, which is how to accept international payments from anywhere in the world. Now, let's jump right in. If you're serious about making money online, you need a landing page. Why? Because 1, it builds trust. People don't buy from random links, they buy from professional pages. The second reason is that it increases sales. A simple, clear page guides buyers to directly buy or to directly check out. The third reason is that if you have a landing page, it works 24/7. While you sleep, your landing page keeps selling for you. Do you get me now? And with System.io, you can build one in minutes for free. No hosting, no domain, no nonsense. Click the subscribe button to be part of our YouTube community so that anytime we post any special content like this, you will be notified. Remember to click the notification bell as well so that as soon as we publish it, you'll be notified. And leave a comment there asking me whatever you want to ask or any other feedback you want from me. Please leave it in the comment section and then click the like button if you like or you are feeling the vibes. Now let's get to my screen to see the step-by-step procedure.
So before you start creating your landing page, you should have the flyer for whatever product or services that you're about to advertise or you're about to sell. You should have pictures, okay, of whatever tutorials or whatever scenes that you're going to sell, and then you should have your testimonials ready. After having all these, your content should also be ready, okay. So if you take this, for example, we're about to create a landing page for mobile video editing, right? So I have my flyer here that I've already designed. If you want a designer to design your flyers or your whatever graphics for you, we have designers there that will do everything for you, okay. You can contact us using this contact, and then we will go on with the terms and conditions and we create flyers for you. If you also want to learn how to design flyers as well, we have a course on that. You can get in touch with us for that. And then, so I have my content here. This is what I'm going to use. We are going to use this email for this tutorial purpose. This is just for practicals, okay, for the training purposes. And these are the contents that we are going to use for our landing page. So I have already prepared everything, okay. I have made everything ready. And then these are the testimonials from my previous courses, okay, that I'm going to use to create my landing page. Are you okay with that? Now let's proceed. We head on to our browser and then we type System.io. Okay, now you can do this on your phone. You can also do it on your laptop or your computer, right? I'll show you how to get the interface of the setup like this on your phone as well. Don't worry, by the end of the tutorial I'll show you. So if you reach here, now get lifetime access to System.io for free. So what you're going to do is over here you will type your email and then you click this button. Are you getting me? So I'll enter the email that I said we are going to use for this tutorial purposes only. I'll enter it here and then I'll click on this button. Click here, okay. So I have entered the email here and then I'll click this button. Boom, you get it. It's written almost there. So you need to confirm your email address by clicking on the link we've just emailed to you. If you don't hear from us within the next few minutes, please make sure to check your spam folder or use a different email. So I'm going to check my phone to see if they have sent the email to me. Okay, so let's go to my phone. So this is the email that they've sent for me to confirm. Let me click on it and then you see there is an email here. Hi, in order to access our System.io, please click this confirmation link. You get it? Good. So I'll click on the blue button here, the blue text where they've said click on this confirmation link. You get it? So let me click on that. I'm clicking on that. Good. So that is all. And they're asking me to create a password to confirm my account. So if you're having your mail on your laptop too, you can access it on your laptop. It's the same thing. So over here, I'll type my first name, my last name, my password, and then I'll confirm it, right? So after you are done, then you click this side where they've said I'm not a robot. Okay. So you click on I'm not a robot for it to be checked. When you are done, then you are going to click on this save. You get it? Good. Now the page is open. Good. Now the page is opened. You get it? Great. So you can have this on your smartphone. You can also have it on your computer. At this juncture, I'm going onto the computer screen, and then we proceed from there. System.io, and then I'll enter, right? So now let me go off my phone screen. So now I click on sign in. So I'll enter my email here, and I'll enter my password here, and then I'll click on sign in. If you like, you can click on stay connected, but that is not what we need for the moment. Or I can even click it and then I'll sign in. Okay. So you see, they will send a two-factor authentication for security reasons to your email, and you have to confirm that. So let me go back to my email. This is the message that we need, system.io confirmation code. So you click on it like this, and then you check the confirmation code. So we have 399498. Let me type it here. 498. Okay, 399498. Then I click on sign in. Boom, now the page has opened, right? The page has opened for me. So we have our dashboard here. If you want to upgrade, you click this part. This is the dashboard, the CRM website. So we have the freemium package, the $27 package. This is a startup for 1 month and the rest, but we are going to use the free version. Okay, we are going to use the free version to create our page, to sell whatever we want to sell. Are you okay with that? Good. Now let's proceed from here. Now what you're going to do here is you click on websites, right? And at website section, you see blogs, sales funnels, digital stores. We don't need any of these for the moment. We need sales funnels. So you click on sales funnels. So you click on create, and then you type in the name. So let's say Ebenezer. Okay, so I'm typing any name there. That name is going to help me remember the particular sales funnel that I'm creating right now. Okay, or the particular page that I'm creating right now. Or let me type mobile video editing here. Mobile video editing. And then funnel domain. So this is what the NST have, 7.system.io. You can click on this to check it well, right? Now, after typing the name, you choose the funnel goal. Are you using it to build an audience? Are you using it to sell a product or a service? Or you can click on the custom, or you can click on the run an evergreen webinar. The particular type of funnel that you want to create, you select. You get it? So at this point, I'll click build an audience. Build an audience. And then you come to the currency. You select the currency that you want to use. So Ghana, which is Ghanaian cedis. Then I click on save. Boom, now the sales funnel is created just like that. Okay, so the next thing is for you to choose the template that you're going to use for your project. So you check your funnel, mobile video editing, you click on it, and then you select the particular template that you want to use. They have so many templates here, right? So you go through them and then you choose one. So you click this to go through them. Click this to go through them, and then you choose one. Now, based on the content that I'm going to provide, turn your smartphone into a video editing powerhouse. So let's see. There are so many of them. If you don't want these ones, you can click this side to move to the next page, right? Okay, so for the tutorial's sake, let's say I want this one. So I want to preview this template and see. Good. So now the template has been given to me, and I'm going to just edit the template to suit how I want mine to be. Okay, I hope you get me. So yeah, over here you're just going to edit. Okay.
All right, so in order not to confuse you, I'll pause here for you to go to system.io, sign up there, and then get your sales funnel ready following this tutorial step by step. Okay, and then choose your template. So in the next video, I will teach you step by step how to edit the template, how to add your international payment link there for people to click and pay right away. Okay, how to add pictures and the rest. I will teach you everything step by step. So for now, you go and then sign up on the system.io and meet me in the next video. Remember to click the like button here to show me some love if you are really loving this content. Okay, and then whatever you want to know in addition to this video, any other thing that you want to learn, leave it in the comment section. I will read it there and respond to you as soon as possible. If you really love this content, tell me something in the comment section.